In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how to fix hardware problems where detected error in Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and simply type CMD. Click on Run as administrator in the right pane. Now I'll be pasting this command. This will be also posted in the description section of this video and hit enter. And this will lead you to the hardware and devices troubleshooter. You need to also check this option apply repairs automatically and click on next. So this will now start to detect the problems. So you just have to wait for that. So here, select a device to troubleshoot. So in my case, I have these errors, but in your case, you might be detecting any other. So the first thing you need to do is to simply follow the suggestions and recommendations in the hardware and devices troubleshooter and simply click on next. That will help you fix the issue. So simply run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. So what you can do after you have run the hardware and devices troubleshooter is that you need to restart your Windows. Right click at the start button, shutdown or sign out and restart. Do not forget to restart after running the command for the hardware and devices troubleshooter. So that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube